Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is, the width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, also TV unit on the front wall, and on the back side we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and dining counter with 3 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, study table with chair and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the back side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also study table with chair and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. On the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom and a window arrangement. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.